In the last video, we saw how Claude uses memory through the claude.md file to understand our Tech Haven project. We also saw that once memory is created, Claude no longer needs to read the entire codebase again. It becomes faster and more efficient. So now Claude understands our project. But here's the next question. Even if Claude understands the project, how does it know what exactly we want it to do? And this is where the next concept comes in: context. Context simply means the information that is relevant to solve a specific problem. Let's understand this with our Tech Haven project. Now suppose a user reports an issue. The user is not able to complete the shopping flow. So I ask Claude, fix the bug in our product. End user is not able to complete shopping. Now Claude understands the project, but this prompt is still very vague. It doesn't clearly tell where the problem exists. So Claude starts exploring the codebase. It opens multiple files like checkoutpage.jsx, header.jsx, step indicator, payment related files, and helper functions. It takes some time and identifies multiple possible issues. Now, this is helpful but not efficient because Claude is trying to understand everything instead of focusing on the right area. Now, let's improve this. First, I use the /clear command to reset the context and start a fresh conversation. Now I give a better prompt by mentioning that issue is on cart page. Now notice the difference. This time, Claude directly focuses on the cart functionality. It opens only the relevant files like cartpage.jsx and cartcontext.jsx and quickly identifies the exact issues. This is the power of context. We are guiding Claude towards the right part of the code base. Now I ask Claude to fix the issue. It requests permission, updates the code, and now both functionalities are working correctly. Now let's take this one step further. There is another issue related to price calculation. Again, I reset the conversation using /clear, and this time I give even stronger context. By providing the exact file using the @symbol, you can use @it to provide files as context to Claude. Now this is even more precise. Claude does not explore the entire code base. It directly jumps to the given file, analyzes the logic, and fixes the issue quickly. Now you can see the subtotal is correct. This is how context evolves. First, no context, Claude explores everything. Then, partial context, Claude focuses on a specific feature. And finally, precise context, Claude directly fixes the exact file. This allows you to guide Claude even more accurately for complex issues. So remember this clearly. Memory tells Claude what your project is, context tells Claude where to act. And that is what makes Claude fast, accurate, and powerful. If this helped you understand context, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel Stoner Stack. Also, this is part of a complete playlist where we are learning Claude Code from beginner to advanced. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. In the next video, we'll learn the difference between Claude.md and context and how these both together helps in real-time application development.